Hello, my dear students. I hope so. You all are fine and taking care of yourself. Stay at home, stay healthy, and stay connected. You all know, students, we are doing lesson 3 and we have completed its topic classification. We got to know a lot of things about animals, about their living place, and we got to know about the different body parts the animals have, and the places we meet them, and many more in that topic. Today we will do the second topic of this lesson, animals. The topic name is home and sound of animals. Let's read homes of animals. Now, what is home? It is the place where a living things live. A place where a living things lives. We also live in a home and we spend most of our time there. Same is with the animals. Animals also live in different kinds of home. Their homes are made up of different materials. So let's read and know why animals live in homes. What is the reason? As home protects the animals from heat, cold, rain, and other animals. As you all know, there are some animals that eat other animals like lion, tiger. These animals eat other animals. So to protect themselves from animals, from heat as well as rain, when there is a bad weather, then the home protects the animals in many ways. So let's read what are the different kinds of homes different animals have. Some animals make their own home. There are the animals that make their home with their own self. What are these animals? Spider and bird. These two animals make their own home. Spider makes web like this. You can see this kind of web in a place or in a building which is not used for many years or for a long time. If that place is not used for a lot of time, so there can be easily seen web of a spider. Spider makes the web with its own. This web helps the spider to trap the insect in it, and it helps us. You all know spider eat insects, so insects easily trap in it, and spider then get that insect and eat them. Birds also make their own nest. How? Bird uses its beak. Birds, with the help of its beak, it collects a lot of leaves, soft materials like cotton or twigs. Twigs are what? Small branches that is used to make nest. The bird tie them together. All this material, it gathers all this material and makes a nest, and they lay their eggs in the nest. Their homes protect them from the enemies. Now rabbit lives in a burrow, and it's like a kind of a hole where a animal live. A snake lives in a hole. Snake also lives in a hole, but this kind of hole is not above the ground. It is inside the ground. Snake prefer to live inside the ground, especially in that place where there is a moisture, that is not dry, the area that is wet, the soil that is wet. Now lion lives in a den. Den is a cave, that is जिसको आप कहते हो गुफा. Lion lives in a den, and lion does not build its home as other animals, just like other animals like rabbit, snake, and now lion also not make or build its own home. A rabbit lion finds its place to stay whenever the lion wanders. As you all know, lion is always in search of food to eat other animals, to attack other animals. On its way, where it finds the suitable place to stay in, it starts living there and make it and use it as its home. Bee lives in a beehive. Here it is a beehive. A bee lives there, and bee also produces honey there with the help of other bees. Next is animals like pet and farm animals. For animals, pet and farm animals, we make their homes. Why? As pet and farm animals are the part of our family, they are also called domestic animals. That's why they are also called domestic animals. So that, and human makes home for these pet and farm animals. A dog lives in a kennel. Here you can see a home of a dog. The name is a kennel. Now a cow lives in a shed. Shed is like a place where there is a suitable things available for cow to live in. There are a lot of there is an area where the cows get their feed. There is a place also along the side of this shed where they take their bath. So the shed is all made in such a way that cow lives very comfortably in that place. A horse lives in a stable. Home of a horse is called stable. Here you can see this one is a stable, home of a horse. A hen lives in a hen coop. This is a hen coop where a hen lives. A fish lives in aquarium. Aquarium is where, here you can see, it is as it is not a natural place for a fish to live in, humans make aquariums. How? By using some stones, and they use some leaves so that it looks to fish that it's their original home. And also oxygen is provided in the aquarium so that fishes can take in the oxygen from the water as well. So this is all about our today's video, where we discuss the homes of different animals. I hope so it is clear to you, students. Thanks and have a nice day.